After the age of 50, the skin begins to lose collagen more rapidly, which leads to wrinkles, dryness, and mild sagging. Most creams don't actually address the root cause. In this video, I'll share 8 natural remedies that help reactivate fibroblast cells, boost collagen and ceramide production, repair the lipid barrier, and make your skin firmer, more hydrated, and healthier. Watch and learn methods that truly support your skin, without expensive creams or overhyped products. Remedy number 8. Rice water and honey rinse. Now let's talk about remedy number 8. A rice water and honey rinse. You've probably heard everywhere that it adds glow and softness to the skin. Rice water contains inositol, which can reach damaged cells and help repair them, and according to a Japanese study, it may slightly improve skin elasticity over about 12 weeks. Honey helps lock in light moisture on the surface layer, leaving the skin soft and smooth. However, the reality is that both of these mainly work on the surface. They help maintain the skin, but don't strengthen it from within. They don't significantly activate fibroblast cells or fully repair the lipid barrier. Think of it like polishing a rusted car. It may look a bit shiny on the outside, but internally, nothing has really changed. Still, for people over 55, this remedy is great for providing light support and softness. With regular use, it can help your skin feel smoother and healthier overall. Remedy number 7. Walnut oil and rosehip oil mix. Now let's talk about remedy number 7. A blend of walnut oil and rosehip oil. This remedy is highly praised, and many people call it liquid gold for aging skin. It contains linoleic acid and omega-3 fatty acids, which help strengthen and support the skin's lipid barrier. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A, which can promote new skin cell growth and support cell renewal to some extent. According to one study, after 8 weeks of use, there was about a 12% improvement in fine lines around the eyes, commonly known as crow's feet. While this is a noticeable improvement, it's still not enough for deeper, more established wrinkles. These oils mainly stay on the outer layer of the skin, the epidermis. They provide surface-level softness and smoothness, but the molecules in walnut oil are too large to penetrate deeply into the dermis, where collagen production actually occurs. Many people also use this mix incorrectly by applying too much at night. The skin absorbs oils best when it's slightly damp, so after washing your face, while your skin is still a bit moist, apply just 2 to 3 drops and gently pat it in. Don't rub. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, be cautious. Walnut oil may make the skin more delicate and increase the risk of minor bleeding, so it's best to consult your doctor first. Overall, this remedy helps prevent further skin damage and provides mild softness and smoothness. While it may not fully eliminate deep wrinkles, it's still a very effective natural support that, with regular use, can leave your skin looking healthier and softer. Remedy number 6. Flaxseed gel. Now let's move on to remedy number 6, flaxseed gel, which is truly promising. When flax seeds are boiled in water, they form a thick gel that is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a powerful plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. The skin can convert this into anti-inflammatory compounds, helping reduce redness and repair small cracks in the lipid barrier. According to a study, after 12 weeks, skin hydration increased by about 18% and roughness decreased, making it roughly 3 times more effective than rice water. However, this gel can be sticky and spoils quickly, usually lasting no more than 3-4 days. If you have hormone-related conditions, keep in mind that flax seeds contain phytoestrogens, so it's best to consult a doctor before regular use. To make it, boil 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in 1 cup of water for about 10 minutes until it forms a thick gel. Strain it, let it cool, and apply it to your face and neck for 20 minutes before rinsing off. You'll feel an immediate tightening effect, but this is mostly temporary hydration. For actual collagen support, consistent and long-term use is key. This remedy is excellent for maintaining skin health, and with regular use, it helps keep your skin soft, smooth, and well-nourished. Remedy number 5. Aloe vera, vitamin E and olive oil mask. Now let's talk about remedy number 5, a mask made with aloe vera, vitamin E oil, and olive oil. Most people think of aloe vera only for sunburn or minor skin irritation, but it actually contains a natural compound called acamonin, which directly stimulates fibroblast cells, the cells responsible for producing collagen. Several studies and research findings suggest that it helps speed up the skin's repair process at a cellular level, and its effects can be felt within just a few hours. After using this mask, your skin feels softer, smoother, and more refreshed, while dryness, roughness, and that thin, fragile feeling gradually begin to fade. Vitamin E provides powerful antioxidant support, helping protect the skin from glycation and sugar-related damage, while olive oil delivers squalene, which helps restore the skin's natural lipids and moisture, especially important after menopause. Avoid store-bought aloe gels, as they are often diluted with water and chemicals. Always use fresh aloe vera leaf, cut it open, and extract the gel. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh gel with 5 drops of vitamin E oil and 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Apply it to clean, slightly damp skin for 30 minutes, then rinse off. This mixture doesn't last long and should be used fresh, but the results are worth the effort. It's a powerful, natural remedy that supports softer, stronger, and healthier-looking skin. Remedy number 4, banana and turmeric skin mask. Now let's move on to remedy number 4, a banana, yogurt, and turmeric mask. Often overlooked, but very powerful. The outer layer of the skin is made up of dead cells, ceramides, and natural oils. And when this barrier breaks down, wrinkles appear deeper and more persistent. This mask works in 3 different ways. Banana is rich in silica, which helps strengthen collagen. Plain yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin and promotes new cell growth. And turmeric contains curcumin, a potent, natural, anti-inflammatory compound. According to a study, people over the age of 50 experienced up to a 36% improvement in skin elasticity, and within just 3 to 5 days, their skin felt smoother and more soothed. To prepare it, mash half a ripe banana, mix in 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a teaspoon of turmeric, and apply it to your face for 15 minutes before rinsing. Turmeric may leave a slight yellow tint, so it's best used at night. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before use. This remedy is an excellent natural support for the skin, helping improve both strength and softness while keeping it healthy and nourished. Remedy number 3, pine nut butter and honey. Now let's talk about remedy number 3, pine nut butter with a small amount of raw honey, a powerful combination that supports the skin from within. Pine nuts contain pinolenic acid, a potent plant-based omega fatty acid. Your body can convert this into anti-inflammatory compounds that reach the dermis, the deeper layer where collagen and the lipid structure actually exist. Unlike creams or oils that mostly work on the surface, this remedy strengthens the skin's foundation from within. It helps improve hydration, boosts elasticity, and reduces water loss. According to a study, in people over the age of 55, this approach increased skin lipids by up to 38% and reduced water loss by 29%. This means the skin becomes stronger, smoother, and feels more youthful. It's very easy to use. Every morning, spread 1 tablespoon of pine nut butter on whole grain bread or toast and drizzle a little raw honey on top. Honey helps enhance nutrient absorption and adds additional skin-supporting benefits. This is a completely natural remedy that works internally to rebuild the skin, helping it feel firmer, softer, and more youthful over time. Remedy number 2, egg white and lemon tightening mask. Now let's move on to remedy number 2, an egg white, lemon juice, and glycerin tightening mask. This mask is a powerful source of protein for the skin. Egg white contains albumin, made up of small molecules that can support the skin's structure and help provide a tightening effect. Lemon juice helps soften and remove dead skin cells, allowing fresh new cells to surface, making the skin look brighter and more youthful. Glycerin locks moisture into the skin, reducing dryness and tightness, and leaving the skin feeling smooth and hydrated. According to research, in people over 60, protein-based masks like this showed about a 43% improvement in skin firmness. To prepare it, whisk 1 egg white until slightly frothy, then add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Apply it to clean, slightly damp skin and leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. You'll feel a tightening effect within minutes. When used 3 times a week for 2 weeks, many people notice a firmer jawline, softer forehead lines, and reduced under-eye sagging. With consistent use over a month, the improvement becomes visible even in photos. This remedy activates the skin's natural processes while also reducing surface dryness and tightness, restoring a fresh and healthy look. Remedy number 1, bone broth and seeds tonic. After the age of 50, the skin rapidly loses collagen, leading to wrinkles, dryness, and mild sagging. One of the most powerful natural solutions for this is a daily bone broth tonic that works from the inside out. Drink 1 cup of warm bone broth every morning on an empty stomach. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and 1 teaspoon of black sesame seeds. The hydrolyzed collagen in bone broth reaches the dermis and helps improve skin firmness and structure, while flax seeds and sesame seeds support the lipid barrier and help prevent collagen breakdown. With daily use, hydration may begin to improve within 3 days. Roughness may reduce within a week. Skin may feel thicker and stronger in about 2 weeks. And by 30 days, visible changes can appear: fewer fine lines, fuller cheeks, and a more defined jawline. In the beginning, you may feel mild warmth or slight headaches. This is generally normal as your body adjusts. Always drink it on an empty stomach, at least 30 minutes before breakfast, and avoid taking it with coffee. Use real, slow-cooked bone broth made from actual bones. Avoid processed powdered versions. Consistency is key. Collagen rebuilding can take 45 to 60 days. But with regular use, this remedy deeply nourishes the skin from within, helping restore its natural strength, elasticity, and healthy glow.